Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you some different ways of making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. First of all, I like potato bread. You can use rye bread, white sandwich bread, sunbeam sandwich bread, but I like the potato bread. I'm going to use, you have creamy peanut butter, extra crunchy peanut butter. Jif or Skippy, those are my two brands. Or you can make your own peanut butter from fresh peanuts. So let's start off with this. One good snack, healthy snack, is to have an apple with peanut butter. And what you can do is just simply clean it up like this. I like smooth. Get yourself a nice spreader. Spread it on and you have yourself a healthy snack. Voila. All right, the next. I know some of these things are going to be pretty wild. So I'm going to leave this here for the peanut butter. But my husband did this, and it's actually really good. The first thing that you do is you take some butter, and I know we're eating peanut butter, but take some butter and spread your butter on one side of the bread. And if you're worrying about calories or anything like that, don't. Not on this one. So I try to soften this butter up a little bit, but let me just tell you, the reason why you put butter on this is to prevent the peanut butter from sticking to the roof of your mouth. So here we have some butter. And you know what? I'm going to use the crunchy kind. It's a brand new container because my husband likes it this way. Let's just throw that to the side. Get yourself some crunchy peanut butter. Now, another good thing is you can toast the bread. Don't toast it too much, and then the peanut butter starts melting a little bit. And you can just put the lid, as I call it, right on there. However, you can do the jam. Ooh! I mean jelly. This is jelly. Let's put jelly on this one. But here's the trick. Here's my trick. I put it on the bread. The reason why you put it on the bread, it's easier to spread. See this? Can you see it? All right, there you got yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Next one, it's gonna be 3 kinds. Next one, so that's the jelly. I'm gonna make another crunchy peanut butter. I'm just going to do it with the regular, no butter on it. And as you can see, don't be shy. You can be shy if you want, not put too much on. Is use some jam. And actually this is red raspberry preserves. So you can use preserves or jam. I like to use this because look at this. It's easier to spread. And you can use peanut butter on anything. Bananas. There we go. Look. Done. It's another sandwich. Here's the final one where everyone's going to go, are you kidding me? So when I was younger, I went to my friend's house. Again, I'm not going to put any butter on here. That's my husband's trick. Oops. Let's get some peanut butter out here. Okay. So my friend Cynthia down the street grew up in Pennsylvania, and we were going to have lunch over there at her house. And her mother, I know you're probably sitting here wondering, why does she have iceberg lettuce? Put iceberg lettuce on a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Not jelly, I'm sorry. Just put iceberg lettuce on it, and it gives you a fresh taste. And I know everyone's going, is this woman crazy? Maybe, but there's your peanut butter and lettuce sandwich. So there you go, you guys. You can make wraps, do anything with peanut butter. Oh, let's get a serrated knife. I know you're not going to believe this, but I will take a bite. I'm telling you, It's really good. And yes, the peanut butter's sticking to the roof of my mouth. So make it the way you like it, and make sure you have a big glass of milk next to it. Please subscribe to Josie's Fun Kitchen if you have a chance, and check out my other fun recipes. I'll talk to you later. Thank you again for watching.